friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Roblox no longer support 32-bit Windows PC. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, first of all, open your control panel. Select here Network and Sharing Center. Then click here Check Adapter Settings. Right click on Wi-Fi connection. Then click on Properties. In this, double click on Internet Protocol version 4. In this, you select use the following DNS server addresses. Type here 88888. Then select here alternate DNS server 88484. Then click on OK. After doing this, close this window. Open your command prompt. Right click on command prompt. Click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes to apply. Type some of commands. These all commands available on my video description. Copy and paste here. After doing this, close this window. Then go to the run command. Type here %local app data %. Click on OK. Then search here Roblox folder. You can see here Roblox folder. Right click and click on delete icon. After deleting, close this window. Then open your Google Chrome. Click on three dots. Click on settings. Then select here privacy and security. In this, select security. Here little bit scroll down. No protection, not recommended. If this option disabled, you should enable this option. Then close this window. Open your Windows 11 settings. Click on apps. Click on apps and features. Search here Roblox. Click on three dot. Click on advanced options. Here a little bit scroll down. Click on repair. After repair, click on reset. Before reset, read this sentence. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Then click on reset. After doing this, close this window. Check your problem solved or not. If not, check your internet speed. Minimum speed 6 to 7 Mbps. That's it guys. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't